Welcome back to Eisrael Tile and Stone, everyday tile construction here in the South Bay area of California. Today we're breaking down 4 tile jobs the way a pro does them: showers, floors, natural stone, and pools. Get these fundamentals right and your tile lasts for decades. A shower lives or dies behind the tile. Before a single piece goes up, a pro waterproofs the entire wet area. A bonded membrane over the backer board with every seam and corner sealed. Slope the pan 1/4 inch per foot toward the drain so water never pools. Do the waterproofing right and the tile is just the beautiful part on top. Great floor tile starts before the thinset. First you flatten the subfloor because most tile fails when the floor moves, not when the tile fails. Then you dry lay your layout from the center of the room so the cuts land even on both walls and you never end on a thin sliver in the doorway. Back butter large format tile for full coverage, and you get a floor that stays flat and tight for years. Natural stone-like marble is timeless, but it's porous, so it plays by different rules. Seal the stone before you grout, or the grout will haze into the surface. Use a white thinset under light marble so it never shadows through, and reseal once a year to keep stains and etching out. Done right, polished marble gives any room a 5-star timeless finish. Pool tile is the toughest test in the trade, because underwater, everything changes. You need a thinset rated for full submersion, and epoxy grout at the waterline, where sun and chlorine hit hardest. Glass mosaic set right turns an ordinary backyard pool into a 5-star resort, and it stays bonded for decades. Showers, floors, stone, and pools, different jobs, same rule. The prep you don't see is what makes the tile you do see last. Subscribe for real tile breakdowns every week. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.